In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move holes in Fusion 360. We're going to reposition an existing hole by moving the sketch point that defines its center. This is the clean parametric way to update hole locations, and Fusion 360 will automatically push that change through to the 3D model. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360 and make sure you're in the design workspace so you can access sketches and features. Zoom into the area with the hole you want to move. Most holes created with the hole tool are driven by a sketch point. That means the location you need to adjust is the little dot in the sketch, not the cylindrical face of the hole itself. If you don't immediately see the point, look for the sketch associated with the hole in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. When you select the hole's center point or sketch point, Fusion will highlight it. If you're not already in sketch mode, you may need to edit the underlying sketch to access that point. Once the point is active, you have two options to change its position. You can drag the point directly on screen to a new spot, or you can use the move command for more control. The shortcut for move is M. With move open, switch the move object type to sketch objects if needed, select the point, and then choose how you want to move it. Free move lets you nudge it visually, while point to point lets you snap it precisely from its current location to another reference point. You can also type exact distances in the move dialog if you need a specific offset. Keep an eye on constraints and dimensions. If the point is fully constrained, it may not drag. That's normal in a parametric sketch. In that case, adjust the relevant dimensions or constraints so the point can update to the new location. Turning on the sketch grid and sketch snaps can help with accuracy, and hovering over geometry will reveal useful snap points like midpoints and intersections. When you're happy with the new location, confirm the move or release the drag, then click Finish Sketch. Fusion 360 will regenerate the model, and the hole will update to the new position automatically. If the hole was patterned or mirrored, those related instances will update too because they're driven by the same sketch logic. That's it. Open your model, select the hole's center point, move it with a drag or the M shortcut, and finish the sketch to see the change in 3D. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.